Students, welcome again to my YouTube channel. In last lecture we already studied about the artificial we already studied the outbreeding devices and the pollen pistil interaction. Okay, in this video we will study about the artificial hybridization and the double fertilization. Okay, क्या होता है artificial hybridization and what is the double fertilization? Okay, so let's start now. This is the part 4th video of your second chapter, sexual reproduction in the flowering plants. Okay, so what happened in the artificial hybridization? The crossing different varieties of the species are there, like the hybrid individual with the desirable characters of the parent plants. Okay, लेकिन कैसे होता है? Okay, so to artificial hybridization means to improve and enhance the quality of the plants. Okay, and that is useful in the plant breeding. Plant breeding means crossing of the plants, correct, to improve the breed of the plants. Okay, so this artificial hybridization are carried out with some steps. First is the selection of plants. Okay, first stage of the artificial hybridization is to selection of the plants. Example, we will take here the sugar cane. Okay, what is in the sugar cane? There is a long and short stem is there, or thick and thin is there. Okay, so what we need the long and thick, correct. So both are not present in the same plant, so that's why we have to combine of long stem and the thick one, correct. We don't need short and the thin, we need the long and thick. So that's why we will do, what will we do, we will combine that sugarcane plant, and that is done normally. Okay, that is done by the manually. Okay, second stage of the artificial hybridization. In that stage, which plant we have to select, that we will decide. Either we have to select the female part, or either we have to select the male part. ये कब होता है? जब if the flower is bisexual, okay, that time only we will select what to select, the female part or the male part. Okay, but normally what happen, we will remove the male reproductive plant. Okay, here is, we will remove the anther or the male reproductive part, and that process is known as the emasculation. Okay, that process is known as the emasculation. Here in the emasculation process, we will remove the male reproductive part, or simply we will remove the anther. Okay, so emasculation means what? If the female parent bears the bisexual flowers, then the removal of the anthers from the flower bud before the anther dehisces using a pair of forceps is necessary. So this step is referred as the emasculation, and the emasculated flowers have to be covered with a bag of the suitable size, generally which is made up of the butter paper. Okay, butter paper used for to cover the emasculated flower, and to prevent the contamination on its stigma with the unwanted pollen. Okay, अगर हमें unwanted pollen से इनको बचाना है, then that time we will cover that with the help of butter paper and some other suitable bag, or with the suitable size, and this process is known as the bagging. That means the flower covered bag with made up of the butter paper to prevent the contamination of the stigma from the unwanted pollen. So this process is known as the bagging. Okay, अगर हम इसमें बात करें emasculation में, what happened if the flower is small? Okay, if the flower is small, the anther part will also the small. Okay, then that time what happened, then the sometimes some types of the suction pump is used to suck the part of the male gamete which is present on that small part. If the flower is big like the china rose or the hibiscus, okay, so what happened, we will remove that part of the anther, or we will dip in. if the stamens, अगर stamens long है pistil से भी, मतलब pistil की size small है and stamens are long, then that time उतना ही flower जहाँ तक वो stamens है, that we will dip in the hot ethanol. Okay, such type of process can be done for the emasculation or the removal of the anther. Okay, so if the stamens are long than the pistil, then flower are dipped into the hot ethanol. So that means this emasculation process is totally depend on the flower. Correct. So next process is the bagging. We know that now what is the bagging. If we, whatever the emasculated flower is there, for the prevention of the unwanted pollen or the contamination of the stigma, we will cover it with the suitable bag or with the help of butter paper. That process is known as the bagging. This is the third stage in the artificial hybridization. Okay, after that, after the bagging, there is a process of the collection of the desired pollen grains. Okay, उसके बाद हम क्या करेंगे, we will collect the desirable pollen grains, and after the collection of the desirable pollen grains, we will dust on the stigma. Okay, what is the fifth stage in the artificial hybridization? Dusting of the desired pollens on the stigma of the emasculated flower. इसमें तो contamination होगा नहीं because of the bagging. Okay, with the help of butter paper or and some other bags. So यहाँ पे अब हम emasculated जो flower है उन पे dust करेंगे pollen grains which are the desirable one. Okay, so and after that there is a fertilization is carried out. ये तो naturally होता है उनमें fertilization होगा. उसके बाद seed formation is there. Okay, after the seed formation what happened, we will do the testing of the seeds. Okay, testing of seeds, how will we carried out? Let them put in the soil, let them grow, and such type of collection and the desirable pollen को collect करने के बाद जो भी हमें output मिलेगा, that whole process is known as the artificial hybridization. Okay, so here that is very important, and this process is all about the, if flower is bisexual then we will do the emasculation. Okay, but what happen if the flower are unisexual? Okay, so if the flower is unisexual, there is no need of emasculation process. Okay, there is no need of a emasculation, and after these all steps in the artificial hybridization, the certified plants we will do and use for the commercially these all plants. Okay, so this is about the artificial hybridization or the artificial fertilization is there. Okay, ये समझ में आ गया आपको artificial hybridization क्या होता है? To improve and enhance the quality of the plants, we will do such type of steps with the help of emasculation, bagging and other steps. That all process is known as the artificial fertilization or the artificial hybridization. Okay, for the improvement in the plant breed. Plant breeding means the crossing of the plants. Okay, दो different प्लांट्स रहेंगे, उन प्लांट का हमें कुछ एक डिजायरेबल कैरेक्टर चाहिए, तो हम वो दोनों क्रॉस करके we will do the hybridization. Okay, next one is the double fertilization. Okay, now double fertilization is only carried out in the flowering plants. Okay, what happened? The double fertilization is only carried out in the flowering plants or in the angiosperms, and after the entering one of the synergids, the pollen tube release the two male gametes. Okay, ओनली एंजियोस्पर्म्स है, उनमें कैपेबिलिटी होती है जो टू मेल गैमेट्स प्रोड्यूस करते हैं. एंड व्हाट हैपन इन द डबल फर्टिलाइजेशन, what happened in the double fertilization, one of the male gamete moves towards the egg cell and fuse with the nucleus, so the completing the syngamy. That process is known as the syngamy, and this result in the formation of the diploid cell. Okay, अगर one gamete fuse होगा with the egg, such process is known as the syngamy, and after the syngamy this will result in the formation of the diploid cell, and diploid cell that form the zygote. Okay, the other male gamete, अभी यहाँ पे दो male gamete produce हो गए एक के साथ में, दूसरा क्या करेगा, that other male gamete move towards the two polar nuclei located in the central cell, and that fuses with them to produce the triploid primary endosperm nucleus, PEN जिसको यहाँ पे कहा है, that is the primary endosperm nucleus. And as this involves the fusion of a three haploid nuclei, it termed as the triple fusion. उसे ट्रिपल फ्यूजन भी कहा जाता है. एंड सिंस द टू टाइप्स ऑफ फ्यूजन्स आर देयर, फर्स्ट इज द सिंगैमी इज देयर एंड सेकंड इज द ट्रिपल फ्यूजन इज देयर, एंड दैट टेक्स प्लेस इन एन एम्ब्रायो सैक, एंड द फिनोमिना इज नोन एज द कंप्लीट डबल फर्टिलाइजेशन. ओके, यहाँ इस पिक्चर में आप देख सकते हैं कि क्या है. फर्स्ट इज इन द फर्स्ट दिस डायग्राम, the fertilized embryo sac that showing the zygote and the primary endosperm nucleus, that is the PEN. Correct? Okay, and what is in the these all stages में ये जो stages है, these are the stages in the embryo development in the dicot. Okay, so in the double fertilization an event is unique in the flowering plant. Okay, ये जो event है that is unique in the flowering plant, and the central cell after the triple fusion becomes the primary endospermic cell, PEC. Okay, यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हैं primary endosperm nucleus and the primary endosperm cell कहाँ पे है. Okay, so that develops into the endosperm while the zygote develops into an embryo. Okay, उसके बाद क्या हो जाएगा, that zygote develops into the embryo. So double fertilization means सिंपली फ्लावरिंग प्लांट्स में टू मेल गैमेटोफाइट रेडी होते हैं, जो फर्स्ट फ्यूज होता है एक के साथ में, दूसरा फ्यूज होता है टू पोलर न्यूक्लियाई में, जिसे हम ट्रिपल फ्यूजन कहते हैं. ओके, एंड दिस प्रोसेस इज यूनिक फॉर द एंजियोस्पर्म्स और फॉर द फ्लावरिंग प्लांट्स ओनली. ओके, सो दिस इज द डबल फर्टिलाइजेशन एंड द आर्टिफिशियल हाइब्रिडाइजेशन. ओके, दोनों भी इम्पॉर्टेंट टर्म्स है अकॉर्डिंग टू योर एग्जाम. सो अच्छे से इसे बेसिक कंसेप्ट्स के साथ रेडी करो और नेक्स्ट पार्ट के लिए वेट कीजिए. इन द नेक्स्ट पार्ट वी विल स्टडी व्हाट आर द पोस्ट फर्टिलाइजेशन एंड व्हाट आर द स्ट्रक्चरल इवेंट्स. ओके, थैंक यू सो मच.